Settling tanks vary in design, but the purpose.
This water just won't do with the kind of machinery you're using.
That raises some real problems.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
The first revolution is when you change your mind about how you look at things and see that there might be another way to look at it that you have not been shown. You will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, and cop out. The revolution will not be televised, and be no rerun, brothers and sisters. The revolution will be live.
You know what you want, and we know what you want.
Those people that are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones that actually do.